This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. How to compare loan offers like a pro. Ever felt confused with loan offers? Today, we'll demystify important terms such as APR and help you compare offers. Let's first start by defining what a good loan is. A good loan is a loan that is not expensive and that you can repay. The cost of a loan is reflected in its APR. APR, or annual percentage rate, is the true cost of borrowing. It includes the interest rate and any fees, giving you the full picture of what a loan will cost. Take, for instance, a $1,000 loan repayable within 1 year. If the loan has an interest rate of 6% and has no fees, then the APR will also be 6%, same as the interest rate. However, if the loan has a fee of $5, then the APR will be 7%, which is more expensive. In other words, paying $5 in fees is similar to being charged an extra 1% in interest. This APR is an annual rate that will apply for as long as you owe money on the loan. So another way of lowering the cost of your loan is to pay it fast. High monthly payments help you pay off your loan faster. However, too high monthly payments are often difficult to keep up with and could cause financial stress, ultimately leading to late or missed payments. So in summary, when comparing loan offers, a simple way to choose the best one for you is to choose the one that has the lowest APR and also requires monthly payments that you are confident you can afford and will help you pay the loan fast. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wifiapp.com.